Hello friends, welcome back to Priya'z Creative Corner.
So, you must be thinking that what is this and what am I doing? This is a kind of very different video. It's basically related to kids. 2 days before my daughter got sick and I was unable to do any kind of craft work or DIY cause those days she needed me a lot and my whole attention was onto her, which ultimately compelled me to ignore all my craft items. But then it also encouraged me with one of the opportunities to stay connected with you all by sharing this video on how to keep kids busy during their sick days.
But before proceeding to this video, just a little reminder. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all our weekly video updates.
Children are more engaged in school than at home. But if they are sick, then it's better to provide them an environment to do whatever they desire. And a mother knows well what her child could expect at this point. So, here I am providing my child with a simple scenery made out of crayon. And she has to paste all the shells according to her creativity and imaginations. Undoubtedly, sick day snatches our kids' smiles and make them more gloomy and uncomfortable. And if a child doesn't want to leave their bed, then this free play activity claims to be more beneficial and advantageous. So, keeping these in mind, I am trying to familiarize my girl with one of my favorite childhood origami activity. Here I am making a simple effort to bring a little smile on her face by making a barking dog out of paper. Origami activity is very interesting at this stage. Parents doesn't require anything extra, just a paper and all kinds of shape and figures will be ready. If we are making any sort of figures by telling them story, then it will be more easy for them to learn. On the third day of her sickness, I asked her what she will be doing today. Then she said painting. Then what? Instead of coloring the papers, I made her paint some eggshells and let her pop it out and paste it on the butterfly, which I have made it for her. This activity finally decides your child's creativity at the greatest level. It's quite challenging and not a simple job for a preschooler, cause it requires much patience and concentration. I do personally recommend not to overstress a child unless he or she is comfortable enough to sit with you and enjoy such activities. It took us 24 hours to complete the whole butterfly, and it came out gorgeously. Friends, I planned for 3 activities only, but her viral fever stick for around 4 days. So somehow I had to manage one more activity for her. So on the fourth day, my girl almost recovered but wasn't so well to go to school. So I decided to make a bunch of colorful roses and hand it over to her to decorate it on the dried branch which I have found it in the park. So, friends, we all face such sickness, but when it strikes to our child, their body becomes weak and lazy, and their mood swings indifferently. So, at that point, we must try to keep them happy, stress free, and burden free with some funny, crazy, and overwhelming activities.
So friends, if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up following with your precious comment. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such creative videos. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, take care and bye-bye.